Hello, I am Vamshivardhan. Today's my topic was about analyze the transistors using differential equation method. When a voltage is suddenly applied across a capacitor, which are previously uncharged, electrons shifted from source to capacitor to source start immediately. In other words, accumulation of change in the capacitor starts instantly. As the charge accumulating in a capacitor increases, the voltage developed across the capacitor increases. The voltage developed across the capacitor approaches to supply voltage. The rate of charge accumulation in capacitor decreases accordingly. When these two voltages become equal to each other, there will be no more flow of charge from source to capacitor. The flow of electrons from source to capacitor and capacitors to source are nothing but electric circuit. At the beginning, the current will be maximum, and after certain time, current will become zero. The duration in which current changes in capacitor is known as a transient period. The phenomenon of charging current or other electrical quantities like voltage in capacitor is known as a transient. To understand transistor behavior of capacitor, let us draw RC circuit as shown in figure. Transistor response. After applying a input to an electric circuit, the output takes certain time to reach steady state. So the output will be transistor state till it goes to the steady state. Therefore, the response of electric circuit during the transistor state is known as transistor response. The transient response will be 0 for larger values of t. Ideally, this value of t should be infinity, but practically 5-term constants are sufficient. Presence or absence of transistence. Transistence occurs in response due to sudden change in the sources that are applied to the electric circuit and due to switching action. There are two possible switching actions. Those are open switch and closed switch. The transistor part will not present in the response of an electrical circuit or network if it contains only resistance, because the resistor is having the ability to adjust any amount of voltage and current. The transistor part occurs in response of electrical circuit or network due to presence of energy storing elements such as inductor and capacitor, because they can't change the energy stored in those elements instantly. Inductor behavior. Assume the switching action takes place at t equal to 0. Inductor current does not change instantly will the switching action takes place. That means value of inductor current just after switching action will be same just before switching an action. Mathematically, it can be represented as IL of 0 plus equal to IL of 0 minus into IL of 0 plus equal to IL of 0 minus capacitor behavior. Capacitor voltage does not change instantly similar to inductor current which switching action takes place. That means the value of capacitor voltage just after switching action will be the same that of just before switching action. Mathematically, it can be represented as Vc of 0 plus equal to Vc of 0 minus. Steady state response. The part of time response that remains if even after transient response has become zero value of larger values of t is known as a steady state response. This means there won't be any transient part in the response during steady state. Inductor behavior. If the independent sources is connected to the electric circuit or network having one or more inductors and resistors optional for a long time, then that electric circuits or network is said to be steady state. Therefore, the energy stored in the inductors of that electric circuit is of maximum and constant. Mathematically, it can represent it as WL equal to Li L double 2 equal to WL. There are maximum and constant. IL equal to IL E equal to maximum and constants. Therefore, inductor acts as a constant current source in steady state. The voltage across inductor will be VL equal to LDI into LDT equal to 0 V. steady state response. The part of the time response that remains even after the transient response has become zero value for larger values of t is just known as a steady state response. This means there won't be any transient part in response during steady state. Inductor behavior. If the independent source is connected, electrical circuit is network having one or more inductors and resistors optional. For a long time, then that electric circuit or networks is said to be steady state. Therefore, the energy stored in inductors of that electric circuit is maximum and constant. Mathematically, it can represent as WL equal to Li into L double two equal to WL. There are maximum and constant. IL equal to IL are maximum and constant. Therefore, inductor acts as a constant current source in steady state. The voltage across inductor will be L equal to LdA into LdT equal to 0V. And this diagram was in open circuit, voltage Vs and resistance and Rs, capacitance C. Current flows T equal to 0 to, through the switch, and V of 0 equal to V naught, and V of T between positive and negative direction through the capacitance. And thank you. This PPT made by G Vamshi.